Oh, hi! Michelle here from Straw-Bearie Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to make this cute tapestry pillow that you can put on your couch or on your bed or whatever, and it looks like it's really expensive and nice pillow for the holidays, and you got it from Dollar Tree, and you didn't spend very much on it. To make your Christmas pillow from Dollar Tree, you're going to need 2 placemats, the tapestry type placemats, and they come in packages like this. I washed mine first, and I picked the snowmen on the little sled, and I got 2 of the same. I just thought they were really cute. And you're going to take your placemats, and you're going to lay them with the good sides together, right sides together. And I gotta make sure my snowmen are facing the right direction. I don't want them upside down. And then I'm just gonna take this and I'm gonna run it through my sewing machine, and I'm gonna sew it along all of the sides except for just a little hole here in the middle. And I gotta take my shoes off. I cannot sew unless I'm barefoot. All right, so I'm gonna start about 1/3 of the way towards the edge and put my foot down, and I'm just going to start my sewing and then do my little back stitch. When you get to the corner, you can put the needle in the down position, lift your foot up, and turn it. Of your sewing machine, trim your strings, and now I'm going to turn it right side out. And you want to stick your finger in the corners and just kind of poke them as far as you can. Since I didn't undo the seam that was in there already, I'm not going to get pointy corners. I just want to do them probably the best that I can on all 4. And now I just need to stuff it. I have some polyfill, and I'm just going to pull out little pieces and keep them from clumping too much, and I'm going to stuff them into my pillow. Just like so, until my pillow is nice and full and fluffy. Now I need to sew up this seam. Now you could do this, you probably should do this with a needle and thread and hand sew it, but I don't like to hand sew. So I'm gonna stick it in my machine. Okay, I'm gonna push all the stuffing in so that it can kind of fit. And come on, fit, 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 fit. There we go. It's gonna be tight. Don't tell my mom. It worked. Clip your ends and shake it back. Get your stuffing all back in that end where I pulled it apart. And now you have a pillow. A nice tapestry pillow. And I used polyfill that I already had, so that didn't cost me anything. The placemats, $1 each, so that was $2. Use any stuffing that you have, maybe even an old pillow that you can just rip the stuffing out of and put in a new pillow, or you might be able to buy one real cheap at another store and just reuse that. And here is definitely a cute tapestry pillow that you can put on your couch and stuff for the holidays. That costs less than $5 to make. How cute is that? Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up like and subscribe, tell all your friends, and have a great day crafting away.